we go. Nandito na tayo, guys. Ayan, dyan tayo pupunta. Dyan tayo kakain. Okay. Let's go, let's go. You want outside? Inside?
Outside.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You want to come in?
Huh? Come in. Maybe they are allowed for video. Of course, I want. I want beef shawarma. Then where's the lamb kebab?
There's
lamb shish. Lamb shish? Yeah, here, lamb shish. I think I'm going to get this. This is our order. I'm going to order Adana, most popular. Then for me, then lamb shish. I don't know how to read shishi. Shishi, and beef shawarma. Okay, this is my lamb shish. Then my honey have Adana. So let's eat. So let's eat. Guys, kain tayo. You like it?
Nope. Did you hear what she said, please?
So I order also a shawarma. Wait. Dami kong order. So this is the shawarma, guys. Nag-order ako kasi nga 5 years ako hindi nakakain ng shawarma. So this is the shawarma. I'm going to try if the shawarma is delicious or not. Of course, So this is the shawarma. I'm going to try these now. Mm. 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 Speechless. So delicious. Perfect. You want to try, honey?
Not yet.
One more time. You don't want now.
Okay. Well, wait, not till I'm done. Move.
Okay. Yummy. Perfect.
Good. Okay.
So my honey will going to try the shawarma. Okay?
Okay.
Big mouth. Okay.
Mmm.
You like it? Good, huh? So, masarap yung shawarma. Masarap yung shawarma nila, ha? Masarap. Masarap. So, itago ko to. Babaunin ko sa bahay. Tago ko yan. Babaunin ko sa bahay. Can I have a hot toast? What is this, Michelle? Sarap.
Not as good as your salad on it.
So every time pumupunta kami sa Middle East foreign restaurant, in-order ko talaga yung laham or lamb. Ayan. Gusto ko yung lamb. Or tinatawag ng laham ba yun? And then dip a hot sauce. Thank you, honey. Craving satisfied.
It's not like in the Indian.
The Indian didn't have lamb. Didn't have lamb there.
I mean, the bad lamb you had at the Indian.
Yeah, the one in Minnesota. Yeah.
This is more like holy lamb.
Yeah. And of course, holy lamb is more delicious.
Better than this.
Kasi guys, nakapunta na kami sa different restaurant ng Middle Eastern. So, he asked me, kung ano doon mas masarap yung napuntahan namin, lalo sa Minnesota. Marami kasi silang Middle Eastern sa Minnesota na restaurant. So, lahat yun, iniikot namin. So, tanong niya kung mas masarap ba daw. Sa Minnesota, they have a
It's okay?
The salad is good.
Yep. The rice is very good too.
Delicioso talaga. Perfect. Yummy, delicious. Yummy. It's perfect because we are hungry.
Oh. Bring some more.
Born Antonio. I said that I really like laham. Then he said to me that he don't like and he don't want, he don't like laham. Then I said, well, maybe it depends on the restaurant. So one time I went to Robinson because near Robinson, Malate, they have a well-known Mediterranean, restaurant, Middle Eastern.
Oh.
So I bought for him. So when I came back home, I give to his house. Okay, eat that. That is my pasaloko. Then after he ate, he called me and he said, "Girl, what is the food that you're giving to me? It's so delicious."
No.
That is love.
You don't like that, remember?
Because it depends the way they cook it, you know.
Yeah. I really like the spicy food.
The one that I ordered in India, that is chicken biryani.
Was it?
So, bakit natin guys from nam 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 nam.
This is very meat.
I don't know.
I mean, what kind of dish is it?
Kind of same. Just only the meat different.
Like rice and meat?
Yeah. So guys, ito na iwan sa plato ko. Half lang yung kinain ko kasi sobrang daming rice. Sa kanya dito nga ng half eh. So ibig sabihin mas malakas ako kumain. So ayan, hindi ako pwedeng kumain ng maraming rice. Nagbawal ako kasi baka magkaroon ng hypertension. Bawal sa akin. So kailangan hindi marami yung rice. So ayan, busog na si Miss Beb. So babaunin ko siya sa house. Of course. Then sa akin honey, hindi pa niya ubos. Tingnan niyo. Bush. Ang dami pa. After this, mag-grocery ako. Bili ako ng chocolate kasi gusto ko kumain ng ginataang langka. So, ayan everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support, guys. Sa lahat-lahat, thank you so much and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Adios.